All right, I'm back. And they say if you're going to be authentic, you can't hide yourself when you're at your worst. And I'm there right now, that's for sure. I've got a hell of an office mess, but we're building it out. Got the new printer, some extras on top. Just got the printer stand. Didn't realize that's upside down, but that's fine. Lava 7 shock bleeder. The Dyno, I was told would ship by today. It did not get that notification yet. And then we've got some old parts I haven't installed yet. That's got to happen soon. But the build out is happening, so I've got a guy coming in. We're gonna run some lines here for 220 volt, and the brake or the sub panels already installed in the garage, right on the other side of the wall behind my fish. So that's run. Then I got to insulate the garage, add more lighting because this is bad right here, and start building shocks. So that's the plan. I'm pivoting from do whatever the hell I want whenever I want, part-time job, to full-time, really badass shock only business. The hydraulic layout that I'm working on right now has never been done before, which is amazing because passive shocks have been patented every which way you can imagine, but apparently not. They missed one, and it's going to be fun. I'm going to be daily driving inerters, which will probably suck, but I've got a couple customers, really fast cars, that are very interested in working with me. So I am hustling right now. They are not going to wait, and I've got a lot of work to do. One-man shop for now. The plan is to grow and go full-time. But the designs that are going to be coming out very soon are going to be really cool, and the educational content I'm going to put out on these designs is going to be very unique. Nobody has ever gone into the detail of the product development like I will on these shocks. Full CAD sharing, MATLAB simulation sharing, ANSYS mechanical and CFD details, going through it all. How does it work inside and out? 3D printer, clear parts so you can see everything inside, especially the inerter. It's going to be really cool. So I hope you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel, my Instagram, and or Facebook if you're on there, because this year is going to have a lot of really cool educational content. So like, subscribe, share. I'm just winging it right now, no scripting, but it's going to get better, I promise. And I'm hiring a videographer, I swear to God. Okay, bye.